Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. You just paid Euro 50K for a technical advisor report on your portfolio. It's 120 pages long, beautifully formatted, and completely useless for daily operations. If your TA reports sit in a folder and never drive action, this video will change that. Technical advisor reports are a required step in solar finance and M&A. Lenders want them for debt diligence. Buyers want them for acquisition diligence. But here's the dysfunction. These reports are written for one-time consumption by third-party evaluators, not for ongoing operational use by asset managers. They answer the question, is this asset financeable? But not, what should we do differently to improve performance? The result is you get a validation document that confirms you're not terrible, but provides zero actionable operational intelligence. That's a missed opportunity because the TA firm just spent weeks analyzing your assets. All that analysis should translate into an operational playbook. Instead of a static narrative report, a true operational playbook has 5 components. Component 1, prioritized action register. Every finding gets translated into a specific action with priority ranking, estimated cost, expected performance impact, and owner assignment. Not inverter performance varies across sites, but deploy string level monitoring at site 3 and 7, cost Euro 15K. Expected 0.8% yield improvement. Owner O&M manager. Component 2, performance gap analysis by site. Show exactly where each site sits versus theoretical best performance and versus portfolio average. Make underperformance visible and quantified. Component 3, risk exposure matrix. Map every identified risk by likelihood and financial impact. High likelihood, high impact items become immediate action priorities. Component 4, forward maintenance schedule. Instead of generic recommendations like increase inspection frequency, provide a specific 12-month inspection and maintenance calendar by site with cost estimates. Component 5, benchmark dashboard. Show where your portfolio ranks on key metrics versus anonymized peer portfolios. This gives context for board reporting. Most TA firms will deliver a playbook style report if you specify it in the RFP. Here's the contract language that works. Deliverable shall include prioritized action register with cost-benefit analysis for each recommendation, site-by-site performance gap quantification with improvement roadmap, risk exposure matrix with mitigation priorities, and 12-month forward operational calendar. Request editable formats, not just PDF. Excel models, data files, and dashboard templates you can update. Negotiate for a findings presentation to your operations team, not just investors. The TA should walk your O&M manager through implementation priorities, not just present to the CFO. Budget an extra 15 to 20% on the TA fee for this operational translation work. It's worth it. Here's where this gets powerful. At ClearSpot, we take TA report findings and load them directly into our agentic platform. The action tracking agent converts every recommendation into a trackable work item with deadlines and owner assignment. The performance benchmarking agent establishes baseline metrics for each identified gap and tracks improvement over time. The inspection scheduling agent incorporates TA recommended inspection frequency changes into autonomous drone flight planning. The risk monitoring agent watches for early warning signals on flagged risk areas and escalates proactively. Essentially, we turn the static TA report into a living operational system that drives continuous improvement and compliance with TA recommendations. Your lender or buyer sees that you didn't just get the report, you operationalized it. One of our clients acquired a 65 MW portfolio that came with a standard TA report highlighting moderate underperformance
and deferred maintenance concerns. Instead of filing it away, they used our framework to convert it into a playbook. We identified 17 actionable items, prioritized the top 8 by ROI, and deployed our agents to track execution. Over 12 months, they systematically addressed every priority, upgraded string monitoring at underperforming sites, recalibrated irradiance sensors showing drift, accelerated inverter firmware updates, and implemented quarterly drone inspections where the TA recommended increased frequency. Result, portfolio availability improved from 96.1% to 98.3%, and when they refinanced 18 months later. The follow-up TA report specifically cited operational improvement as a credit strength. That original TA report became the blueprint for value creation. Don't view TA reports as one-time compliance hurdles. Use them as external operational audits that you'd otherwise pay consultants to perform. Like share and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.